Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this mascara that I have started using for quite a while now. This is the Iconic by London. It is the blackest black, and I absolutely love it. So this actually has length strengthening serum inside of it, which is great. This thickens your lashes. It makes the length very long looking as well, besides the serum that's inside it. I love the small bristles too, because this is separating your lashes, so it's going to make it look a lot more fuller, and it's getting the mascara on each eyelash, which I absolutely love the look of it. It makes my eyes look so big and blue just because of how amazing it goes onto your eyelashes. I usually have a hard time with mascara because I usually need waterproof, because it goes underneath my eyes, because my skin can be a little bit more oily under there, and I have not even had a problem with this. I have worn this and I actually need makeup remover to take it off, because that's how well it stays on your eyelashes. But the whole time I love that it is strengthening your eyelashes and there's a serum inside it. So it's not harmful at all. It's actually helping them stay big and beautiful, which I absolutely love about this. It has so many things all in one, which is a bonus, but that's just my point of view.